forget to subscribe!
Be careful, be careful!
Our friends are going to ski and ride a sled down the hill today.
Okay, are you ready to go down the hill? Poby, can you push the sled?
Sure. Be careful, Pororo.
Here we go!
La la la! I'm going to ski again.
Eddy, watch out! Watch out! Eddy, are you all right? Okay, it's your turn, Eddy.
No, you can go first, Pororo.
Thank you, Eddy. All right, are you ready?
Shall I take off now?
Eddy, wait a little.
I'm going. Let's go!
He left already.
Will he be okay?
Cha! Pororo, here I come. Watch out, Pororo! I said watch out.
Oh no. What Pororo and Eddy are doing is dangerous.
I said watch out.
Oh, are you okay?
Okay, Eddy, you go down first.
It's okay. You can go ahead.
Oh no, you go first.
Eddy!
Here we go.
It's dangerous! Be careful!
Eddy, you just wait.
Pororo, it's my turn.
I wasn't planning on this.
Eddy!
In the end, Pororo, Crong, and Eddy all got injured.
It was dangerous to play like that. As a result, all of you got hurt. Drink this.
Thank you, Loopy. Pororo started it first.
You acted the same way, too. You two? You two are equally at fault.
Crong? Crong?
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I should have been more careful out there.
It wasn't just you. I shouldn't have done that either. I'm sorry.
If we are all careful, then this won't happen again.
He's right.
Pororo and Eddy promised that they would always be careful.